हेलो। हेलो। विमलेश, एम आई ऑडिबल? हेलो। ये लो।
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning जी.
Good morning, sir.
और लखविंदर जी क्या हाल है?
बढ़िया सर, आप बताइए। थैंक्स फॉर दिस इवेंट।
थैंक यू.
Is the heat being conducted next at QX? Heat conduct. Can you visualize this thing? Can you accept this thing for some time? Hello? Yes, sir. Q is the heat being conducted into this small element in X direction. Okay, so let us say that some heat is being conducted out in X direction. Let us identify it as Qx plus Dx. So Qx plus Dx is the heat conducted out in X direction.
Hello. Good morning to all of you. BC sir has already joined. So I request Chairman sir to please allow me to start the program. Sir, BC sir has already joined, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Dr. Rajkumar ji.
Sir, may we go ahead, sir?
Yeah, because we should start in time now. I think
Dr.
this is
Sanjeev, now you start your program.
yeah.
All right, sir. So
Dr. Sanjeev. now you
yes, sir.
start your program.
I'm starting the program, sir. I'm starting the program. I, on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, welcome you all in this second 1 week online STTP on Advances in Manufacturing Technology, CNC and Robotics. Automation in technology is one of the central crucial elements of almost all manufacturing processes. Automation is arguably the impetus behind manufacturing, dating back to the Industrial Revolution. In the centuries since, as technology has advanced and new inventions have gained prominence, these processes have only gotten more sophisticated. As industrial technology grows increasingly pervasive, this wave of automation and digitization is being labeled as Industry 4.0, as in the fourth industrial revolution. So with this aim to understand the recent advances in manufacturing technology deeply, Department of Mechanical Engineering is organizing 1 week STTP, which includes many important topics in advanced manufacturing technology, like CNC, robotics, IoT, data science, and preventive maintenance, etc. So I once again welcome you all in this program. I welcome Professor Inderdeep Singh Ji, Professor IIT Roorkee, who is the chief guest for today's program. It's indeed an honor to have you here today, sir. I also welcome Honorable Vice Chancellor, dynamic leader of our university, Professor Dinesh Kumar Ji. Today, we also have among us worthy Registrar Dr. S.K. Garg, Professor Raj Kumar, Chairman Mechanical Engineering Department, Professor Sandeep Grover, Professor Tilak Raj, and Professor M.L. Agarwal. Now to start with the program, let us add positivity to the program with the lamp lightning.
Kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada Shatru buddhi vinashaya Deepajyotir namostute Deepajyotir namostute Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada.
Thank you very much. Now to invoke the blessings of Goddess Saraswati, let us have Saraswati Vandana.
अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे मां ईशान दे मां अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे संगीत तुझसे हर शब्द तेरा है हर गीत तुझसे तू स्वर की देवी ये संगीत तुझसे हर शब्द तेरा है हर गीत तुझसे हम हैं अकेले हम हैं अधूरे तेरी शरण हम दे प्यार देवा
ईशान प्रेमा ईशान प्रेमा अज्ञानता से हमें तार प्रेमा। क्या हुआ पापा?
Thank you very much. Now I invite Chairman Mechanical Engineering, Professor Raj Kumar, to welcome all and brief us about this STTP.
Thank you, Sanjeev. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, our Chief Guest, Professor Inderjeet Singh ji from IIT Roorkee, our worthy Registrar, Dr. Sunil Kumar Garg, all deans, chairpersons, faculty, and dear participants, good morning to all of you. And I welcome to all of you in this 6 days AICT sponsored online short-term training program on advances in manufacturing technology, CNC and robotics, being organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering. It gives me immense pleasure again that we are organizing this program under the AICT AQIC scheme. We have to organize a 3 STTP, 3 short-term training program under this scheme, and this is the second one. This short-term training program covers the advances in manufacturing technology and particularly focuses on the CNC and robotics technologies. Sir, they are the total 18 sessions, 3 on each 6 days of this short-term training program. So we have invited the eminent experts of this focus areas from the reputed institutes like IITs, NITs, and the other industries. The total 12 experts are going to present their talks in these sessions. So the experts will cover the topics like the part programming for the CNC machining, an overview of the robotics in manufacturing, CAD in the 3D printing, rapid prototyping, machine learning, predictive maintenance, and Internet of the things, etc., etc., sir. Sir, we received more than 100 registrations for this short-term training program. Before closing the link in the very short duration of the time, a total 40 participants from every state of India are selected to participate in this event. Sir, we are also trying to live all these sessions on the YouTube so that the participants who was not selected due to the limitation of the seat may get benefit. I think this program will be definitely a beneficial program to all the attendees as well as the other faculty and the students, those who will be available with us. So I again welcome to all of you in this program. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Sanjeev, over to you.
Thank you very much, sir, for awareing us about this program. May I now invite Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dinesh Kumar ji, to shower his blessings. Professor Dinesh Kumar is the recipient of Homi J. Baba Gold Medal Award, which was given by none other than our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. He has also been awarded with the title of Rangbandhu Shiksha Shromani Samman by Rangbandhu Sahitya Academy and is also awarded with the title of Most Eminent Vice Chancellor by All India Council of Human Resource. He has obtained his master's and PhD degree from Cambridge University and has published numerous research papers. Under his leadership, the university has reached new heights like A-grade accreditation by NAAC and NBA accreditation of its various courses. Sir, we are keenly looking forward to your address.
Thank you, Dr. Sanjeev. Good morning, friends. This is a matter of great happiness for all of us that Department of Mechanical Engineering is organizing this kind of event. In fact, they have been doing it, in recent past, they have done many such events. I'm very happy that they are really busy and they are keeping themselves very active in this time of COVID, when students are not coming to campus. And so they are trying to, add the value while working using online mode. So I'm happy that Dr. Inderjeet is today's chief guest from IIT Roorkee. I would like to welcome him. And as Dr. Rajkumar mentioned that out of 100 participants, 100 registrations, they selected 40. So that means they have to manage, they have to maintain the quality during this 6-day program. As the title of this FDP or STTP is, manufacturing technology using CNC and robotics. Perhaps, as Dr. Sanjeev was saying, this is very important in Industry 4.0. Recently, I got an opportunity to visit some of the industries in Faridabad. And then I realized that how robotics are playing an important role in the manufacturing technology. In fact, robotics have become integral part of any big industry who is working in the area of automobile engineering or heavy duty kind of works. In Faridabad, there are a large number of subsidiary industries, companies which are working for automobile companies like Maruti, Honda, and things like that, Escort. So all the products, all the parts are being manufactured here in Faridabad and Gurgaon. So I think students who will be attending this kind of program, they will be exposed to latest techniques, latest trends in the area of CNC and robotics. I think I'm also happy in the sense that in our university, the Department of Mechanical Engineering has also taken some steps in establishing one robotics lab where they teach their students how to program the robot and how to use robot for different things like welding, where actually instead of human being, you can actually take the help of robot now. So it's a really matter of satisfaction for all of us that in this particular program, you are going to invite experts from IITs, from NITs, and from reputed institutes of the country. I'm sure this robotics and CNC machine, which are the important component of any manufacturing hub, will definitely help our young teachers and students to learn the latest things in this area. So I don't want to take a lot of time, but yes, I can say my best wishes to the organizers, my best wishes to the chairman of the department, Dr. Rajkumar, and all faculty members of Mechanical Engineering Department who are striving hard to achieve excellence. So with these words, my best wishes to all the faculty members and to all the participants. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your motivating words. Now, I invite our chief guest, Professor Inderdeep Singh Ji, to address the gathering. Dr. Inderdeep Singh Ji is currently working as professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Roorkee. He has completed his PhD from IIT Delhi in 2004. Sir has successfully guided more than 14 PhDs and 43 MTech scholars, and currently 9 PhD scholars are working under his guidance. Sir is a reviewer of 20 national and international journals as well. He is also recipient of Outstanding Teacher Award in the year 2013 by Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. He is also a member of Board of Studies Mechanical Engineering at Punjab University, Kurukshetra University, and GEHU, Uttaranchal University, GNDEC as well. Sir, over to you for your motivation words about this program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Namaskar. Professor Dinesh Kumar, Vice Chancellor of the University, Professor Raj Kumar, Chairman of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Professor Sanjeev Goyal, other participants, faculty members from all across the country, as we have been told that there are 40 faculty members who are joining this STTP course, and there were around 100 applications. So I congratulate you for being shortlisted for attending this program. I was approached by Sanjeev to be a chief guest. So I thought, I am not a chief guest, I am also one of the learners like all of you. Am I audible, Professor
Yes, sir.
Rajkumar?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're audible.
Yeah, so normally I consider myself as a learner. Yesterday and day before yesterday, all of you may be knowing we have a National Institute of Design, Haryana, in Kurukshetra. So NID Haryana was organizing 2-day faculty development workshop for us. So I was one of the participants learning the nuances of design on Saturday and Sunday. So I am also one of the learners like all of you, and I am thankful to Professor Sanjeev for considering me worthy of being a chief guest for this event. And I normally, whenever I am invited to speak in the beginning or the first session of a FDP program, I normally start with the three stakeholders who are responsible for such events. So one of the primary stakeholders is the sponsoring agency, which in this case may be the Atal AICT under this scheme in which this program is being organized. The second stakeholder is the institute and the teachers like us who are contributing as experts for delivering the lectures. And the third stakeholders are the participants who spend their precious time in attending the event. So I wish that this STTP or STTC, this course adds value to all three stakeholders. The purpose with which the government is spending this money must be fulfilled. All learners like us who are coming here to discuss what we are doing in our respective institutes must get enriched by the questions from the participants. They may get some research problems which can be solved in future by their students. For example, maybe after my talk, if I get 3 good questions, which we have not done till now, or the answers are not known to us, we would certainly like to do more experiments and try to solve those problems. And as learners, when you are joining, you are spending some time, you are filling at least the registration form, you are joining for the inaugural session, other sessions also you will be spending time. So it is expected that you also learn something from the whole proceedings, which will be, I think, spanning through 6 days and 3 sessions each. So you will have maybe 18 sessions. At the end of the program, you must also get some value addition or must get enriched. So all stakeholders must have some value addition because it is the hard-earned money of the taxpayers which is being spent on conducting such type of programs. And we are a developing country, we are not a developed country. So as a developing country, it is our responsibility that like we spend our own money, we should also honor the money being spent for us by the government of India. Now, second point that I want to come to is the title of the course, that is advances in manufacturing technology with special focus on robotics and CNC. And as Professor Dinesh Kumar rightly pointed out, the industry 4.0 is definitely going to have these two elements, the CNC programming and the robotics as the key elements. So we cannot ignore the importance of these two important elements of industry 4.0. Also, if you see, government of India has schemes like Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India. So we have to also play some role, at least maybe if each one of us, each engineer who has a bachelor's degree, suppose in mechanical engineering, decides that throughout my lifetime, at least I am not talking about in a week or a month or a year, I am talking about in my lifetime, if I will be able to develop one product which would be completely Indian and will replace one of the products which we are right now importing, you can yourself imagine that maybe that will be our contribution, lifelong contribution of studying mechanical engineering, that we will be able to serve our country. So each one of us, we only the soldiers who are fighting for us on the border are not the only contributors towards nation building. Our role also, we have a techno-social responsibility. We must also take that on our soldiers, that we have a responsibility for the society. And throughout my lifetime, I will take a pledge that I will at least develop one process or one material or one technology which will help my country. So that will also be my contribution towards nation building. So that is what maybe in this short time I wish to share with all of you. And one of the important points that I want to share is that, as Professor Rajkumar told, that there will be some talks about the rapid prototyping processes also. So I pose one challenge that in rapid prototyping, most of the filaments that are used in 3D printing are polylactic acid or acrylonitrile butadiene styrene or polypropylene. Please work in the direction of developing filaments which are based on composites. For example, you have natural fibers already impregnated in polymers, and then you directly print 3D print a composite product rather than printing a plastic product. So any type of plastic product that you are producing is going to have a damaging effect on the environment. And in one of the good books by Ulrich and Eppinger, which I normally follow for teaching product design and development, they have added a new chapter of design for environment. So once we are trying to develop a material or a process, we must also focus on its implications on the environment. So anybody who's going to work in the field of 3D printing must also focus in the development of raw material which must be used for 3D printing, so that the material or the product or the prototype that you make through 3D printing is environment friendly and it does not cause any harmful effect on the environment. Similarly, in CNC programming and robotics, we must try to do something to solve the local problems rather than pushing for articles in very high impact factor journals. So if we are able to use CNC programming, as Professor Dinesh Kumar pointed out, there are a lot of industries in and around Faridabad. If we are able to solve any real life problem of the industry using CNC programming or using robotics, that will be the real contribution towards industry. So therefore, with these words, I will stop. Maybe after the inaugural function, I am supposed to deliver one talk. I will try to discuss what we are doing in this direction at IIT Roorkee. At the end, I wish all the participants a great success, a great learning experience during these 6 days. And I congratulate the organizers for selecting a very apt topic which is relevant to the schemes of Government of India. So I wish everybody who's involved in this course a great success, and I'm thankful to the organizers for giving me this opportunity to interact with all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Inderdeep Singh Ji. You already have raised the bar for the course and you have greatly motivated our participants. You have set a direction with your speech. So I hope all the participants now have one goal in their mind, that they will take some technology or some process learning from this course. This has put a pressure on our organizers as well, that we need to go for enriching our participants through this 6 days program. With these words, I again thank Professor Inderdeep Singh Ji. Now we are just coming to the end of the program, and I just want to thank, first of all, I would like to welcome all the participants to this 6-day AIST sponsored online STTP on advances in manufacturing technology, CNC and robotics. I would like to thank again our today's chief guest, Professor Inderdeep Singh Ji, who has spared his valuable time. He immediately agreed. I just requested him in the evening that I just want you to be the chief guest of the program, because last time we have heard his expert lecture and the way that he's carrying over all the experience and the technology and motivating the participants. So nobody can be better chief guest for this program. So I again thank you, Professor Inderdeep Singh Ji. I take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dinesh Kumar Ji, who is always a source of motivation for us. He is a great driving factor for all the faculty members of this university. This is under his tenure only in the 5 years. Now we are producing SCI papers in SCI journals, where patents are coming, the projects are coming to this university, which was always lacking. We were always lacking in these fields. So this has happened because he has never thought of spending the money on enriching the labs and giving the facilities to the faculty. Whatever the course we want to go over, whatever the workshop we want to attend, whatever the technology we want to purchase, he's always there to help us. He's the great motivating factor. So again, I thank you, Professor Dinesh Kumar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. Further, I thank Program Chair of this STTP and Chairman of Mechanical Engineering, Professor Raj Kumar Ji, who is the backbone for all of us, the faculty members in Mechanical Department. He is the one person, whenever we face any problem, we always look forward to him as a friend, not as a chairman. So he's always a great solution maker for all our problems. So again, thank you, Professor Rajkumar, sir. I also thank program advisors, Professor Sandeep Grover and Professor Tilkraj. Because of his this wisdom, we are able to organize this program. The last program was very successful, and we are hoping that this program will be successful as well. So these two professors always has put how to raise the quality and how to enrich our participants with a better learning. So I again thank program conveners, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar and Dr. Rajiv Sahaji, program coordinator, myself and Dr. Krishan Verma, and the organizing secretary, Dr. Sanjay Kumar and Shri Vimlesh Oja, who are working day and night to make this program successful. There are a lot of work that they have to go through, the coordinating with the experts, then arranging this grant and everything. So they are working day and night to make this program successful. So I again request all the participants to please honor this kind of a hard work that the mechanical department has done. We have tried to gather all the experts from the very eminent IIT and NITs. So please try to enrich yourself, ask your question as Professor Inderdeep Singh has told, so that the expert should also take a good impression of these participants. Last but not the least, I sincerely thank all the eminent speakers and the participants of this program and wish the program a great success ahead. Thank you very much. So now I request Dr. Krishan Verma, if I think he has already taken the screenshot of all the participants. If it is not, then I request all the participants to please switch on your video. Verma sir, have you done?
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you to everyone who has joined with us in this inaugural session. So hope that you will be enriching yourself in all these 6 days program. Thank you very much.
And I'll request all the participants to join the upcoming session on time, as it was session 1 of our 6-day STTP. Thank you so much.